was supposed to be Honda's ultimate flex on the luxury market. A rolling masterpiece designed to make ultra-high-end German sedans look obsolete, packed with tech so advanced it practically drove itself. But in a move that has absolutely stunned the global automotive industry, Honda didn't just refresh their flagship luxury sedan for the new model year, they completely blew it up. What you are looking at is the all-new 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome, a radical paradigm-shifting transformation that has left automotive purists completely divided. Some are calling it a stroke of absolute genius, while others think Honda has completely lost its mind. But there is one devastating secret hidden beneath this vehicle's futuristic bodywork, a fatal engineering compromise that Honda desperately hopes you won't notice until you've already signed the paperwork. We will expose exactly what that hidden flaw is by the end of this video, and trust me, it changes everything. For decades, the Legend nameplate represented understated Japanese luxury, but the 2027 incarnation completely redefines what a luxury vehicle can even be. Honda looked at the explosion of the luxury overland and camper market and realized that today's elite buyers don't just want to travel in comfort, they want to live in it. To pull this off, Honda took the sophisticated architecture of the Legend and fundamentally merged it with a bespoke aerodynamic living pod. Up front, you get the unmistakable, razor-sharp LED lighting signature and aggressive styling of a high-performance luxury machine. But walk around to the side, and the silhouette morphs into a breathtakingly sleek, low-profile motorhome that looks more like a private jet for the road than a traditional RV. Step inside the cockpit, and you are immediately greeted by a massive digital dashboard wrapped in premium, sustainably sourced materials. Honda has integrated its next-generation automated driving suite, allowing you to activate full autonomous cruising while the front seats rotate a full 180 degrees to face the living quarters. This means the transition from high-speed highway cruiser to premium mobile lounge happens seamlessly at 60 miles per hour. If you are amazed by this level of innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like sign right now, because we are diving straight into how Honda crammed a 5-star hotel suite into a vehicle that still fits inside a standard parking space. The true magic of the Legend Motorhome lies in its variable height carbon fiber roof. When you park, the entire upper section expands upward by 2 full feet, instantly creating an incredibly spacious, airy cabin. Inside, you will find a minimalist kitchenette featuring a concealed induction cooktop, a hidden refrigerator, and a solid surface countertop that telescopes out into a dining table. Opposite the kitchen is a wet bath that utilizes advanced water recycling technology, allowing for multiple hot showers without needing a massive, heavy freshwater tank. At the rear, the luxury lounge area effortlessly converts into a queen-sized memory foam bed at the touch of a button, complete with an ambient lighting system that syncs with your circadian rhythm. To power all of this mobile luxury without relying on a loud, polluting generator, Honda equipped the vehicle with a high-capacity solid-state battery network integrated directly into the chassis. This cutting-edge battery pack is topped off by an ultra-thin solar skin that covers the entire exterior roofline, generating enough juice to keep the climate control, high-end audio system, and appliances running indefinitely off-grid. Under the hood, the mechanical package is just as revolutionary, utilizing a high-efficiency hydrogen fuel cell powertrain combined with dual electric motors. This setup delivers an impressive 450 horsepower and a continuous, whisper-quiet surge of torque, meaning you can climb steep mountain passes with absolute ease while emitting nothing but pure water vapor from the tailpipe. It truly feels like the ultimate expression of modern freedom, a vehicle that lets you escape society without sacrificing an ounce of millionaire luxury. But as perfect as this machine sounds on paper, Honda's brilliant creation is fundamentally crippled by the dark reality we teased at the beginning of this video. To keep the vehicle's weight under the legal limit for a standard driver's license while packing in all this heavy luxury, Honda had to make a massive sacrifice. They drastically cut down the size of the hydrogen storage tanks. The result is a jaw-droppingly low real-world driving range of just under 180 miles per charge. In a vehicle designed for epic cross-country road trips, you will be forced to stop and hunt for elusive hydrogen fueling stations every 2 hours. Honda built the ultimate home on wheels, but severely limited how far that home can actually go.